Even as a master's holder, you may not know everything. You still learn. Marriage is another higher institution entirely. So now, you said my husband is not learned. I agree with you. Academically, he might look someone that does not go to school to you. But let's now shift. Financially, he's stable. Let's go to the spiritual world. This is a man that gave me a beautiful baby 9 months after my marriage. He gave me a shopping complex on 1 acre within 1 year of my marriage. Within 1 year of my marriage, he also gave me another beautiful estate. Less than 24 months in my marriage, I have achieved so well, so greatly within 24 months of my marriage. Within 48 months of my marriage, I already own an estate in Abuja, an estate in Ibadan, an estate in Lagos. We are safe to say education has nothing to do with marriage. Whatever he wants to go to school to do, he has already owned it. He has been a businessman right from his childhood. A dollar can never sell iron. My husband is a mathematician par excellence. IYABO, I can allow you to compete with my husband mathematically. If you beat my husband, I will give you 50 million naira cash. Mathematically, I will put both of you. You on your live chat will join you, or I will on mine. You join us. If you can win my husband. Another point of view is this, IYABO. If my husband is not learned, I won't be this great. I am the picture of my husband. My success is the true color of my husband. My life is the education that my husband has learned so fast. If you look at my life, IYABO, I just want to tell you tonight that you will go down for this. Your children will go down for this. Your baby father will go down for this. But I have to explain to you that marriage, it is not about education. Marriage is not about material things. Marriage, it's all about you and your partner. There are some men we look down on in the society. Believe me, what they need is just little push. Some of them are dangote. But because of their background, they may trapped in some stuffs at the beginning. But when you give them little opportunity, they're going to explode. Am I communicating? Am I communicating? IYABO, you lied to the society that Fola, that was the one paying her house rent, she was my yale, that you, that Fola can feed, that you are helping Fola. IYABO, I am telling you today, as a BSc holder, my husband, Alhaji Latif Lawal, Oko LIZZY ANJORIN to be BSc holder. I'm not just BSc holder. I'm a doctor. Alhaji Lawal is now Oko doctor. How do I achieve all my greatness? Through my husband, Alhaji Latif Lawal. I achieved so much under him. So it shows that Latif Lawal, he is the education. He is the higher institution. He is everything that I've gone to school to learn. And he is everything he's supposed to have gone to school to learn. You said, and I quote, he does not have education, but he has mind of gold. He's a man that wants his wife to be up there. If I may ask, the Fola you brought to social media to dupe Nigerians, has she ever been to school? Has she ever been to school? IYABO as Fola you brought to this social media to dupe people. IYABO, if not for the society that were not informed, because it's society that make you to be this nuisance. That man you are seeing there, IYABO, that Mr. Lawal Adegboyega is not a regular man. That kind of man, you can hardly find him, except if God wants to wipe your tears. That is when you can meet someone like Alhaji Adegboyega Lawal. Remember, IYABO, you are nobody. You have nothing. You are broke. You have no life. You have no education. You have no pedigree. You have no mother. You have no father. You have no children. Your existence in this world is 0 minus 0 equals to minus 0.0. And let me tell you, let me talk to you as an achiever. IYABO, you know, I am not a prostitute like you. I'm a very hardworking woman. You see, as a very hardworking woman, the qualities we want in a man is not the same quality a prostitute like you is looking for in a man. You are looking for a man to feed your dead ass. I am looking for a man that can build empire with me. And God just answered my prayer and he gave me one. IYABO, you are a prostitute. You are looking for a man that will feed you. I am looking for a man that can be there for me so that we can raise our children to become great in life. IYABO, you are looking for a man that will be feeding you, because since you've been to this world, IYABO, you remain lame, deaf, blind. IYABO, between you and I, you are a complete disformed child. Believe me, I got a life for you.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí òṣèrébìnrin LIZZY ANJORIN tí ó sọ nínú fídíò tí ẹ ṣe wò tán yìí, látàrí ọ̀rọ̀ tí IYABO OJO tí ó sọ nípa ọkọ rẹ̀. Ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe ṣàlàyé bí ó sì sọ wípé ìdí tí ọkọ òun kò fi kàwé rárá àti rárá o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa.
Abirùn, since you've been to this world, you've never done anything meaningful. So the quality you are looking for a man is different from quality that I'm looking for a man. I'm a hard-working woman. I'm not that regular woman that is waiting for a man to come and feed me. I am not that woman that is looking for a man that I will put so much pressure on.